Sasol Inzalo is next, right? This one is a scheme set up, I believe, back in around 2010. I may stand corrected. It's not the listed entity Sasol itself. This is the only one which is in fact listed on the JSE's special board for this purpose. It has a market capitalization of around 974 million rand. 2007 is what I'm being told here. So the Sasol Inzalo scheme owns 10% of Sasol ordinary shares. The interesting thing, though, is a special purpose vehicle, and it does have to keep in mind that it has a debt facility which has got a fairly aggressive rate because rates were higher back in 2007. The costs, so the gap between the juice, which was being enjoyed back in the day when Sasol was at 600, must be looking a little bit tricky now.
Yes, huh? I mean, it's one of those businesses, Paul, that, I mean, if we can make just a simple example, we're talking about Sasol just now. Sasol, when I came in, the market cap was probably about R1 billion odd rands. It's now about 2.5 billion. But now it's the opposite with Sasol. Sasol, with all these challenges that the parent company from which Sasol Inzalo's valuation is derived from, you know, you can see the valuation has struggled from 140 odd last time we were talking about the business to about 75 odd at the moment.
So and that's the JSE BEE one's share that you're talking about.
Yeah. So the challenge that you have there is that the environment where Sasol is operating at the moment continues to be challenged by declining oil price. And this anyone's guess.
There's a 5-year chart. That's what you're talking about of the Inzalos, the JSE BEE ones.
So it's definitely, but the valuation, or rather the behavior of the share prices, is the same, obviously. So in my view, if you're invested in this business, people tend to be value investors, but sometimes you need to value your time as well. You know, the longer you wait for a share to turn around like this, it's opportunity cost. In our view, you should have been in something else. And the environment, we can't say
because with oil at $50 a barrel, with concerns around margins, concerns about the international expansion, Sasol itself not looking as attractive. So this one by extension.
And obviously their debt is still too big, and they're in my view, there's no incentives in my view. If you're a shareholder, if you have maybe a 3-4 year view, it's very difficult for me to see this business turning around and aggressively firing.
So not hot on this one.
Not hot.
Okay, good.